Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here then welcome. Today I am sharing my favourite kitchen organisation systems, and most of these I have DIY'd myself on a budget. First I'm showing you my sliding recycling system under the sink. I did a video about this which I have linked below. The recycling system was called Halbar, which I got from IKEA, and it's been brilliant. I also made a sliding drawer for this cupboard with my cleaning things and extra towels. Over on the island, I love using these large wicker baskets for all our recycling. The one on the right holds some fruit, potatoes and chopping boards. The one on the left holds our paper and cardboard recycling. I also like using wicker baskets above the cupboards to make the most of that space. I use them for cake tins and extra supplies like kitchen towel and cling film. I am on the lookout for 2 more of these baskets, which are no longer sold by IKEA because they're so useful around the house. Next, I like using these over the door pockets from Amazon. If I can find them, then I will link them down below. These have worked out so well for our water bottles. I cut the door pockets up into sections and then fasten them to the doors between the shelves. If you want to see my full pantry makeover, then I will link the video in the description box below. I'm also using the over-door pockets in my cleaning cupboard, so I have everything I need to hand.
Hello!
What are you doing? You're giving me a Smartie. Thank you. That's very kind. In the cleaning cupboard, I also use these plastic baskets, which are from Wilko's. In my pantry, I have a shelf riser which I made from scraps of wood. I have another shelf riser in my top cupboards from Lakeland, plus plenty more of those baskets from Wilko. In the lower part of my pantry, I got these baskets from Aldi, and they have worked out so well. My pantry organisation system really has stood the test of time, and it stays tidy. In the kitchen island, I have these 2 deep drawers which weren't very useful, so I made sliding drawers to go inside, and I divided up the space below. Over in my cupboards, I also made these sliding drawers to contain all of my baking supplies and some appliances. The cupboards were so dark before and I felt like I couldn't find anything, but now I am making much better use of the space. So that's it, that's my favourite kitchen organisation systems, but please leave me a comment below. Are there other things that I could do to improve the organisation in my kitchen? Is there anything that you would recommend to others? I'd love to hear it, so please pop it in the comments box. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!